Are you looking for a humidifier that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best humidifier you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the #1 pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now, sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Rosekm Humidifiers for Bedroom 2-liter Cool Mist Humidifier for home, plant, and baby nursery with 360-degree nozzle, auto shutoff, filterless. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful, perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The Rosekm 2-liter Cool Mist Humidifier brings gentle air and added comfort to bedrooms, baby nurseries, and plant rooms in homes across the USA and around the world, because it combines ease of use, effective humidification, and a simple, clean design that fits many living spaces. This humidifier uses a 360-degree adjustable nozzle to direct moisture where you need it most, which helps relieve dry air, ease breathing, and keep indoor plants happy during dry seasons or air-conditioned days. Its filterless design makes maintenance simple, no extra cartridges to buy, and the automatic shutoff adds safety and peace of mind when the water runs low. Many users will appreciate how quietly it runs overnight, which allows restful sleep without noise distractions. The compact size makes it easy to place on a bedside table, a shelf for plants, or even a small office corner for daily comfort. A clear benefit is how fast it improves air humidity, which helps prevent dry skin, chapped lips, or cracked wood in drier climates. On the downside, the 2-liter capacity means you may need to refill every day or two if you run it constantly, and because it is compact, it may not humidify very large rooms thoroughly. Some users also prefer a visible water level indicator. This model has a subtle design, which can make checking the water level a little less convenient. Despite those small points, the Rosekm humidifier remains a practical and gentle solution for anyone wanting easy humidity control at home, especially for bedrooms, nurseries, and plant care corners. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have Hiswelle 4.5 gal ultra-large humidifiers for bedroom, tower humidifier with 4 mist mode and extension tube for home, school, office. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The Hiswelle 4.5 gal ultra-large humidifier offers steady comfort for bedrooms, homes, schools, and offices because it delivers long-running moisture and simple control in a tall tower design that fits many room styles. It uses 4 mist modes to match different needs, so you can create a gentle mist for sleep, a stronger mist for dry seasons, or a steady setting for daily air balance. The extension tube helps lift the mist higher, which is helpful for larger rooms or open areas where better coverage matters. Its large tank means fewer refills, which saves time for families, students, and anyone who wants easy humidity control throughout the day. The quiet operation keeps the room peaceful, which makes it a great choice for bedrooms or study areas. A clear advantage is how well it supports indoor plants, pets, and people who struggle with dry air, because it brings lasting moisture that stays steady for hours. On the downside, the tall design may feel bulky for small rooms, and the large tank can feel heavy when filled, so careful handling is important. Some users may also notice that the mist output can feel stronger than expected on high mode, which may require a small adjustment period. Still, the overall experience is smooth because the humidifier is simple to clean, easy to operate, and reliable for daily comfort. It is a practical choice for anyone wanting a powerful home humidifier with flexible settings and a long-running design. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description.
All right, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Homvana's Humidifiers for Bedroom Home 3.6-liter Cool Mist Top Fill Long-Time Oil Diffuser for Large Room, Plants, Nursery, 7-Color Light Ultrasonic. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The Homvana 3.6-liter Cool Mist Humidifier offers a calming and practical way to improve air comfort in bedrooms, nurseries, plant rooms, and larger living spaces, because it blends long-running moisture, gentle lighting, and simple top-fill design that makes daily use easy for families and individuals around the world.
Its ultrasonic mist feels smooth and steady, which helps relieve dry air during winter months or air-conditioned days, while also supporting healthy plants and more restful sleep. The built-in oil diffuser adds a pleasant touch for those who enjoy soft scents in their home, which makes the room feel cozy without being overwhelming. The 7-color light feature creates a relaxing mood that works well for bedtime routines, baby care, or quiet evenings. One of the biggest benefits is the top fill tank, which lets you add water quickly without lifting or flipping the unit, which is useful for busy households. The large capacity allows long runtime, so you do not need to refill often during the night.
On the downside, the mist output may feel lighter in very large rooms, and the soft light feature may feel bright for those who prefer complete darkness during sleep, but both points can be managed with small adjustments. Cleaning is simple, though the tank shape means you should take a moment to reach all areas during weekly care. Overall, it is a gentle, reliable, and easy-to-use humidifier that brings comfort to daily home life through steady mist and thoughtful features. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description.
We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up. At number 2, Drio 8-liter Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom, Mist Humidifier for Large Room Indoor, Quiet Whole House for Baby Plants, with Alexa or Google. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Drio 8-liter Smart Humidifier brings a smooth, quiet, and powerful way to add steady moisture to bedrooms, large living areas, nurseries, and even whole house spaces, because it combines a generous tank size with smart control and gentle mist that suits daily comfort for families around the world.
Its long-running design makes it ideal for overnight use, while the smart app control lets you adjust mist levels, timers, and schedules from your phone or through Alexa or Google, which adds real convenience for busy homes. The mist output feels balanced and steady, so it helps soothe dry skin, support indoor plants, and create a more comfortable space during winter months or air-conditioned days. The quiet operation keeps the room peaceful, which is helpful for baby rooms and light sleepers. The top fill tank design makes refilling simple, which reduces spills and saves time. A real advantage of this model is how well it manages larger areas, because the 8-liter tank supports long hours of uninterrupted use without frequent refills. On the downside, its larger size may feel bulky for very small rooms, and the smart features may feel unnecessary for those who prefer a basic manual humidifier. But both points depend on personal preference. Some users may also need a moment to learn the app settings, yet once set, it becomes easy to use. Overall, it is a thoughtful blend of power, smart control, and quiet performance that makes everyday air comfort smooth for homes of many sizes. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the absolute best of the best. At number 1, Levoit Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom, Large Room, Home 6-liter Cool Mist Top Fill Essential Oil Diffuser for Baby and Plants, Smart App and Voice Control. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction,
and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Levoit Smart Humidifier offers a refreshing way to improve comfort at home, whether you are in the USA or somewhere across the globe, because it blends thoughtful features, quiet performance, and smart control for easy humidity management in bedrooms, living rooms, or plant areas. With a 6-liter cool mist tank and a top-fill design, this humidifier runs for many hours without frequent refills and makes water filling simple without spills. The built-in essential oil diffuser adds a gentle scent option that helps create a relaxing atmosphere, while the mist gently refreshes air for babies, plants, or anyone bothered by dryness. What many users love most is the smart app and voice control support, which lets you adjust settings or set timers with your phone or voice commands, a handy convenience for busy households. The mist output feels smooth and consistent enough for most medium to large rooms, and the unit remains whisper quiet, so sleeping, studying, or relaxing stays peaceful. On the downside, the large tank and water amount mean the unit is heavier when full, which may require 2 hands to move. And some users mention that the essential oil tray needs occasional cleaning to avoid buildup. Also, while mist output is quite generous, in very large open spaces, it may not fully humidify all corners without additional units. Even so, its blend of size, features, and ease of use makes this humidifier a strong choice for anyone who wants steady air comfort with little fuss. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the best buy, and I'll see you in the next one, where we help you buy smart and live better.